Good morning. Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Thursday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend remains in an uptrend. Today's reading rising 10% versus 3% the previous day. Dow momentum falling 0% versus 3% the previous day. Dow volatility falling 1.69% versus 4.31%. Dow 50-day net change falling to a new low, negative 3,037 versus 1973 the previous day. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is falling 18% versus 9% the previous day. That's negative. Institutional money flow falling 0% versus 6%. Institutional demand falling as well, 9% versus 18.38%. Institutional inventory falling 22.25% versus 26.58%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend fell negative 71% versus negative 46% the previous day. Thursday's trading highlights, as I view them, are as follows. World markets drop again. Japan says U.S. bailout is not enough. Poor earnings from several major companies are today's market movers. MktMetrics statistics are rising now from 60-year lows. Friday was the lowest to date. DIA moving averages 8-day versus 21-day, 91.23 versus 101.86 respectively, has a divergence of negative 1061, all-time low, versus negatives 963. October Friday, which was last Friday, may have been the selling climax. Futures and options expire in 2 days. A lot going on. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. As we begin Thursday trading, we notice that the Dow outlook is bearish, falling 4% versus 5% the previous day. Stock market outlook bearish, falling 6.1% versus 16.3% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has a probability of closing up Thursday of 48%. However, Diamonds, DIA, Dow 30 Exchange Traded Fund has a probability of closing up Thursday of 97%. So today may be a great day. Our $2 million trade volatile account, which began on October the 14th, 08, using all of our nightly analysis, next day's advanced market decisions as our decisions. Current value $2,056,536, with an overall net gain between the longs and the shorts positive $20,800 net gain on the day. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily, MktMetrics.com. Check out the blog, trading ideas in the evenings, top market forecast in the morning. Well, we're approaching 9:30. You take care. Good luck and good trading today.